Hi everyone, I'm Isa Please, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to you. Please subscribe to your channel. If you like videos about fashion makeup, please subscribe to your channel.
UG's channel.
Balik. Hi everyone, I'm Isa Please, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel if you like videos about fashion and makeup. I love you.
So, Paolo gets this side of my face and Eduardo gets this side of my face.
Pwede ko give up. Hindi ko sabot na nila tanan.
Ako lang i-apply. Pampawa lang sa yung...
Sugod eh, tapuyan eh.
Oo, pawon. Okay, mangutsa pawon.
Sige, ganahan mo clue?
Oh, sige. Primer.
Ang kanang
Primer. Kaya foundation, sige.
Kana.
What? Di mo good. Di ba puti dapat ang foundation?
Dili,
Huh?
dapat mo
It should be the color of your skin.
Piyong. Mukha pa na ligaw ko. Piyong lagi.
Bao, ano mo kamot, bao?
Piyong lagi. Murag nilagi sa husband lagi.
O, ito, napir man yung mabukbuk. Tarong na yung... Ito yung sudlay, sudlay.
Okay.
Nga na yung mga sudlayan ako now.
Okay. Okay, asa may contouring kit ani. Contour. Ako gikuha ng muta.
Si Ed ba? Mumuta kong makeup gano'n sa tayo.
Hindi ako may mga utong.
Yeah.
So what's that for? What is it and
It
what's that
says
for?
full cover, so I'll cover up all the imperfections with the perfections.
I don't have imperfections, you fool.
Nagamay.
What are you doing, Paul?
Blending it kadali. And then use the...
Kadali, gano'n kadali naman.
Using this, ampot yung sanay siya. Sundance mo na dyan eh.
Okay. Use the beauty blender to beautify the area. This will make you look chubby. Okay.
Di man ako.
The imperfections are covered. Contouring. Where's the contouring? I want to contour here. A little bit. Okay. Here.
What?
I want to show here a little bit. Okay, ito na sa
I'm putting some blue stuff.
What are you doing, Paul?
Highlighting na.
Oh my god.
Highlight. Hindi napita yung highlight sa nila ito. Tang. Kita. Ay, di katawa!
Okay.
What's may gamit sa contour, Paul? Highlight.
Oh, yes. Okay, more contouring. Sige, sige. Okay, luwang.
Akong upper lip, niwang?
Trust us. We know what we're doing.
Ano siya, inspired niya siya sa kanya kong make-up.
Oh my god.
Isa.
Inspired niya siya sa akong silingan na nabuhang.
Beauty blender, do your magic.
Kailangan mag-eraser. Why eraser dire? Mom sa'yo ng eraser siguro.
Okay? Suot silong. Okay? Okay.
Mom siguro niya para ilay siguro guys. Ano yung so, after experiment ng kilay niya. Oh, kilay.
Naman ang description.
Wala. Yung ba no?
Waterproof eyeliner pen. Eyeliner.
Mura mo na.
Hindi may eyebrow di ay. Tulang ako guys. Madaran eh.
What are you guys gonna do next?
I'm gonna erase the problematic areas.
Pao, why is it wet? Did you spit on it?
Wala eh.
Oh.
Laka! Ano nito? Ano nito? Nito!
Ama.
Egyptian style eh po.
Oh my god, that's gonna get it
What's it,
right.
What's it in the brush?
Any. Toothbrush mo na.
Ganun mo na yung brush. Tara ba? Ano sa bitang in the brush?
Any.
Basta pala.
Oh my god, wow.
Sikiyat mo dito. Sige, taas. Look down.
Matilda. Close eyes.
Did you know that this is a brush?
Oh, fun na eh.
Pero what the...
Laki na. Inabutangan na yung lipstick.
Hinayat nagdundot sa kunaw. Anyway, dalakot mo na mo. Actually, di.
Ayaw na. Ano lang ka. Talit ganyan siya na...
Are we done?
Okay na lang eh. Ay, last. I-contour lang na to. Last spaghetti.
Oh guys, kay pampanan siya.
Gabi, hago na kong contouring pa. You just wanna contour, no? Kay abi kibaw ka mo contour.
Dili. Kaya, parang ingnon nga na kay liog ba?
Rude.
Yung manang gibon o.
Papagay ko naman.
Mag-date na after nila.
The reveal. Ako nito ito na sa mga camera ko.
Huwag ka sabat!
Okay, nindot ako lipstick sa.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. I had so much fun shooting it. I think that I'm so pretty and I'm ready to go out to the mall. But if you like this video and if you want more videos like this, make sure to follow and subscribe to my channel. And I am Isa Please everywhere else on the internet. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Oh, muna tanan ang hibutang sa kunaw. Are you kidding me?
Dili ka na po yung daily.
Kasa!
Oh, bunni.
O ba din na?
Oh.